Hello, my wonderful people. Good day to you all. This is Vivisimic Show. In today's video, I'm going to teach you people how to prepare roasted plantain, fish, and sweet pepper sauce. Let's get started. First of all, I'm going to blend the sweet pepper, garlic, ginger, onion, and pepper together. After blending it, I will use it to spice the fish before roasting it. As you can see, I finished blending it, so I put it inside plates. After that, I added salt and Vivisimic curry, Vivisimic home curry, homemade curry. So after that, I added oil. After adding oil, I stirred everything together. I added more Vivisimic curry on it. And more oil. Then I stir the fish. I use 3 fish. The fish I use is tilapia fish, and I have to give it a cut for the ingredients to enter inside the fish. After that, I'm going to rub the spices inside the on top of the fish. I will leave it. After spicing it, I'm going to put it inside and cover it with nylon. This fish, I'll be preparing this fish tomorrow morning, but in the night I spice this thing and I spice the fish and put it inside fridge. So tomorrow morning I will be using it. Before then, the whole ingredients have already entered inside the fish to give it taste when roasted it. A nice taste. If you like this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share to your loved ones, and hit the notification bell. Thank you to all my subscribers, my supporters. I say thank you all for supporting me. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like this video. So I will now wrap it with nylon, ripened nylon. So now I will put it inside the fridge. So tomorrow morning I will bring it out and roast it. So as you can see, I brought it out the next day. Look at how it looks. So now I'm going to put it inside the oven. I'm using 5 unripe plantain. So after removing the back, I put it inside the oven. I give the plantain a cut, and I forgot to show you guys how I rubbed oil on the oven this thing before I start putting my things, for it not to be difficult to turn. So now I want to prepare the sauce that we're gonna use to eat the roasted plantain and the fish. It is bell pepper and fresh tomatoes, onion. So look at how I'm cutting it. This sauce inside the pot is the one I remain from the the one I used to spice the fish. So I added the ones I cut now: tomatoes, onion, bell pepper. I add oil. After adding oil, I'll add salt. I added a little salt because person that I'm preparing it doesn't eat salt. So I add a bit of salt, a pinch of salt. After that, I added curry, Vivissimi curry. I won't add maggi because the person I'm preparing it doesn't like eating maggi. But if you like, you can add maggi. So as you can see, I'm turning the plantain and the fish. The thing you are seeing inside the oven is yam. I added yam because I like eating roasted yam. So look at the sauce. Now I have to stir it. I don't want the vegetable to cook too much. I want it to look greenish. After stirring it, I cover it. After that, I off the gas. As you can see, the sauce is ready now. This is the outcome of the everything. Very delicious and attractive. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Oh wow, this is so nice. Ciao.